this just surprised me. This is a this is a beautiful decal sheet. So of course this is the Busch livery, designed by Power Slide, or made by the Power Slide, because their partnership with JR Models, which is pretty cool. You got some sponsor logos, gauge clusters. Thank you, super cool. Then you get your Busch, more sponsors. I mean, this is a really high quality decal sheet. I mean, the quality is there. And then you get your big Busch logo for the hood and stuff. Wicked cool. This is a wicked cool decal sheet. Alright, so this is really surprising. This chrome tree is just absolutely insane. So this is my very first JR Models kit I've ever touched or I'm gonna build. If you all know, been following me on the channel for the past few months or years, you all know I hate kit chrome. I always strip it and repaint it and stuff. This stuff is incredible. This is probably the best chrome in any kit I've ever seen in my life. It's soft. I mean, soft. It's cold to the touch, and then I think we get a magnet to it. It's actual magnet. You see it kind of pulling it. So this is insane. This is actually the best chrome I've ever seen in any model kit. I wish Revell, AMT, those companies will take the recipe from JR Models and do this. The chrome isn't like, it doesn't look fake. It does not look fake. I mean, this stuff is just incredible. I cannot get enough of this. This is actual metal, actual magnet sticks to it, and the finish on it is just remarkable, incredible. I just can't get enough of that. That is the best chrome tree I've ever seen in any model kit in history of model kits in my life. Alright, so before we get too long, let's go ahead and get to the white mold parts. So obviously this is a NASCAR from JR. I've never built, this is my very first NASCAR I've ever built from JR, and I heard that they're incredible kits. I know the history of them a little bit. They bought out a bunch of molds from Revell Monogram and AMT, and they're reissuing them, which is pretty cool. And this is not one of those kits, I don't think, because this is a brand new kit. This is in 1/25th scale, because Revell and AMT, they originally released them in 1/24th scale. And on the body it says designed by Jim or whoever. Yeah, I think it's Jim from JR. So yeah, this is a whole new mold from JR themselves. So this is like a completely brand new kit. So it will get cool. Get your seat with molded seat belts. I mean, these parts are incredible. The amount of detail it has. Next tree. Get your exhaust. I mean, this is really clean molding. This is wicked. This is really crisp. I'm not gonna lie. So this is my very first NASCAR I've ever built. One of these older ones. I built one NASCAR, but that was years. I mean, pounds years ago. So I'm not too much of an expert on these NASCARs, but this is the amount of detail in this kit is just incredible. I mean, look at cool. Okay, so you do get chrome and styrene wheels, because this particular car, I did do some research, and this car had chrome wheels and also had gold wheels. So that's pretty cool. So I'm glad they included that, because I have no idea how you would strip that chrome or paint over it. I don't even know. So I'm kind of glad they include those wheels. Alright, then you get to your body parts. I mean, the detail in this, just incredible. Brakes, two-piece brakes, that's insane. Look at cool. And there's flash, but the flash is on the trees, and there is flash. I mean, this is just breakable when you touch your finger, so it's nothing to worry about. Front of your Chevy car right there. I mean, look at cool. Looks like you have two different headlight designs. or noses, you want to call it. Alright, this is the Airbrush tree. This has your roll cage and stuff. So I'm not quite so sure what interior this color has, what color the interior has. Oh cool, they mode that in styrene. I thought that would be chrome. Which you typically mode that in chrome. Look at cool. But so I gotta do some research on this car because some of these cars, they're red interiors, chassis and stuff. And I know a lot of these older N.Y.S cars, like these days too, chassis and interior is all same color. So I gotta figure out what it is. And there's your hood with the pins molded in. Pretty well in detail. Alright, we'll get the body. This is a really nice clean body. Obviously, your more pins molded in, so if you want to, you can go ahead and sand those out and use some photo edge. It's up to you, but those are actually pretty nice. You can easily detail paint those. Then, yeah, the body line is nice. This has doors. The mold lines are actually, or the panel lines are actually really deep. I mean, yeah, stop my finger. Look at nice. If you want to, you can go ahead and do a couple more scribes to be safe, but these are really nice out of the box. Look at cool. Mold lines. And there's a really sharp one on this edge. Just sand that down a little bit. It's kind of hidden. You don't really see it, but and also on the front. Yeah, they're really sharp on these sharp edges. Just take a little 600 grit sandpaper and just do a nice little scuff. You can definitely feel this one. So they are on these sharp edges. You can't see them too well, but they are there. You can feel it. But other than that, that's pretty much about it for the cleanup. And as you can see, this is from JR and designed by Jim. So wicked cool. So this is a completely whole new mold from Scribing JR's. Wicked cool. And okay, and then you get 4 tires in this kit. These tires are really nice. I mean, they're basically scuffed up for you. I mean, you don't have to do too much sanding. This is the outside and this is the inner because it's kind of flat. So this is your outside, obviously, and looking nice. Oh wow, these are really stiff. Wow. So if you're one of those guys that glues your backings on your wheels, because it's a 2-piece wheel, if you're one of those guys that glues the 2-piece wheels together then paint them in one unit, I would not want to do that if I were you, because I guarantee this is gonna be a good challenge to put the front through the back and stuff, or the whatever. I just don't glue your wheels together. Just melt them on from the front and back. But look at nice tires. Then you do have tire decals for the Goodyear and stuff, so that's why it's not branded, but they include decals, which is cool. But alright guys, that's it for this Unboxing Monday. After taking a very good look at this kit, this is a really cool kit. So like I said, I think this is a brand new mold from Scribing JR themselves. This is not a reissue from a Revell or an old AMT kit. This is a completely whole new design from them, designed by Jim over there. So it's wicked cool, whole new molding, and it's absolutely a beautiful kit. Like I said, this is my first JR models I've ever unboxed and opened and touched. I gotta say, the chrome tree, I don't know what the heck they're doing over there, but I wish AMT and Revell and other companies would just buy the recipe from JR, because this is actual metal or magnetum, like actual magnet can stick to this chrome tree, and it has a cold touch to it. It feels like metal. I've never even done seen such a thing. That is incredible. So the chrome tree is just that's insane. So but I'm sure that's on all their kits, and you guys are like, you're new to this. I know I'm new, but I never felt anything like that. That's insane. But overall, the kit looks incredible. There's no flash on any of my parts. If there is flash, I'm sure just flick off your finger. So not too much cleanup. The body is in incredible shape. I mean, the decals from Power Slide, one of the best NASCAR decals out there, which is Power Slide, and that's cool. JR is teamed up with Power Slide, so one of the best aftermarket companies for decals on the planet for model building. And of course, you don't want to go with this Busch. I'm pretty sure Power Slide does sell aftermarket decal sheets, so you don't use this bush version, you can go with a different version. It's up to you. But I kind of dig the bush. This kit just came out like 5, maybe less than that. No, it came out like 4 weeks ago by the time I'm recording this video. So it's a very new kit from JR. Pick one up. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. But alright guys, that's it for this Unbox Monday. Until my next Unbox Monday, I'll catch you next time. Take it easy.